Hello everyone, welcome to Undoubt Me. In this question, we will be trying to solve for x. This question is a bit tricky, and such type of questions can give you a very good perspective about geometry if you struggle in that. So just see that how we are doing it. There will be a few theorems which we will definitely use it over here, but let me first tell you that what all things are given in the question. Few things you can see that the sides are equal, and this is 90 degree. On both sides that will be 90 degree. This is also given. Now considering that as 90 degree, the very first thing I will do is I'll assume that let there be a circle which comprises AB as a diameter. There's one circle theorem in which angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees, so we are just doing the opposite of that. The main purpose of doing that is these two sides, let's say this is O, so AO and OB are equal, and that can perfectly fit into a circle. Okay, O being the center of a circle, AB being the radius, and that angle ACB is 90 degree. Okay, so next thing we will do is we'll try to construct a line over here OC, which will also be the radius, so that will be equal to AO, and from here our actual question starts. So I will take this angle as Y, the other angle will also be Y, and due to Angelson property this will become 180 minus 2Y. Okay, now there are multiple things we need to work upon for this question, so just keep it very clear in your mind that step by step if you'll do it, this is a very easy one but bit tricky. Then come to the next one. This is X, and now we can use the circle theorem because the arc AC is subtending an angle of 180 minus 2y at the center. That will subtend half of it at any other part. So it means 90 minus y will be the angle ABC. Okay, I am speaking, just listen to me carefully, and I am writing everything in the diagram. Now we have got few more angles. Coming to the last part, if you look at triangle CDE, in triangle CDE this is 90, the other angle is x, so this will be 90 minus x, same reasoning, Angelson property. And because COE is also an isosceles triangle, COE is an isosceles triangle, so because of that this angle COE is also 90 minus x. Now we are good to go with some equations. So the first equation we will write from these three angles. Good part of this question is that we don't have to introduce more than two variables, so we have to just at the end solve a simultaneous equation to get x and y both. So the first equation will be 180 minus 2y plus 90 minus x plus 65 equals to 180. From here I'll just rearrange x and y and then the leftover terms. When negative 2y and negative x are sent on the other side, it will be 2y plus x, numbers on one side, so 180 gets cancelled, 90 plus 65 is 155. So I get x plus 2y is equal to 155. That is my first equation. Now for the second equation I have multiple options, okay, but I'll work in triangle ODB. As per triangle ODB, it is 65 plus x plus 90 minus y is equal to 180. That will give me x minus y is equal to 90 minus 65. 90 and 65 comes on the other side, 180 minus 90 is 90, and 90 minus 65 will be it will be 25. Okay, I'm just writing that directly. So x minus y is equal to 25. If I twice this equation, then 2x minus 2y is equal to 50. The main reason for twicing it out is so that we can solve with the previous equation very easily. Now the next step is we are going to add them up. Adding them up will cancel y terms. We don't need y anyways, we need x only. So just add these two equations. You'll get x plus 2x, that is 3x, and 2y and 2y will get cancelled because it is 2y minus 2y, and on the other side we have 155 plus 50, that is 205. Based on this we will get x is equal to 205 by 3, and that comes out to be 68.3 degrees. It is okay to have answer in decimals. Based on the given data, the answer is 68.3. They were just asking us x value, y was introduced by us, so we don't bother finding y value from here. So I hope that this question and the way we solved it, the way we framed the equations, the way we used circle theorem, everything is clear. If you like this video, then please share it with your friends. hit like button, and if you haven't subscribed this channel yet, then do consider subscribing as well. See you in the next video.